All right, so you're using an iPhone, but you'd prefer Google's Gboard over the native iOS keyboard. No problem, we can totally do that. First, we'll need to download Gboard on your iPhone, and you can do that on the App Store. Open App Store on your phone, search for Gboard, and download it just like you'd download an app. Once your download finishes, you'll open the app, or keyboard, whatever you want to call it, and you'll be walked through the setup. Basically, you'll first hit the Get Started button, which will take you into your Gboard settings. Here, we'll need to give Gboard access to your keyboard. iOS is built pretty secure, and by default, third-party apps don't have access to your keyboard and the keystrokes on your phone, which is why something like Gboard requires you to allow these permissions before it can function properly. After the permissions are done, you can now go to any app that uses the keyboard. You're going to see the native iOS keyboard first, but you can use the little globe icon in the bottom left corner to switch between keyboards. Tap the globe to switch between keyboards, and you can also tap and hold it to view all your available keyboards. And that's it. Now you have Gboard on your iPhone. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.